afternoon, everyone, and good afternoon, my dear ma'am. I make one PPT on the chapter The Leaf of Biology. Parts of leaf. Part of a plant. Plants are one of the most interesting living organs on earth. They are installed benefit to both animal and human being. They produce oxygen, which necessary for surviving of living organs. Trees provide shelter to animals and are known as for their medicinal benefit. Overall, different parts of plants have different role of performance. They act as a source of food and oxygen and maintain the aesthetic balance. Part of leaf. The main part of leaf include root, stem, leaf, flowers and fruits. Root system. The root system is the twisted grow downward particle in the plant axis. When a seed granite readies in the first organ to come out, it agreed to form primary or the tap root. It gives the later branch secondary and the tertiary roots, and the third the form the root system and branch together large and deep area in the soil and are called the plant very familiar. It also play another vital role in the slate water and mineral salt from the salt and transporting them upward. Characteristic of root system. No green due to static charcoal, no divided into roots and stickle, obstructive leaves and bud, positive grade, leaf growth and something, positive hesticle and negative photosynthesis. Difference between simple and compound leaf. Simple leaf. An aviated leaf bread compound leaf. A leaf which contains a series of leaf blades attached to midrib. The leaf blade is undivided. The leaf blade is divided into leaf latered but occurs at the base of the petroleum. There are no latered but at the base of each last cut. Maple, black, cherry, guava, mango are some example. Neem, rose, buckeye and sheen are some example. Functions of leaf. The main functions of leaf is to produce from the food from photosynthesis charcoal substance that gives the plants as the character of the green color, a slate light green, the aesthetic of the structure in the leaf. Modification of leaf. We know the leaf are certified to perform photosynthesis. In addition, they also have a efficacious role to play such and support storage of food, definite, etc. For each of the following function, they have been modified into different form. For example, trees of prey, saint, caticle, onion, bulb, leaf, antivirus plants are etc. are different modified leaf. Let us have a detailed look at some of the modified leaf. Antivirus plants, Nuttical, the monkey cup, decorated thingy, and many more plants. Thank you, ma'am, for giving your time for my PPT. I hope you like it. Sorry, ma'am, if you doesn't like anything in the PPT. Thank you, ma'am. 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 Thank you, ma'am, for watching my presentation, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. I hope your day will go good. And my all friends.